SE computer science examination tomorrow, isn't it? Yeah, SE computer science examination, also second examination, right? Also the second examination. Yesterday was also first, also mathematics. Today is computer science, man. Yes, I'm going to talk about a very important and top-notch topic, guys. Significant and very important topics that's going to be asked tomorrow examination from the past year data calculated from the CDC Curriculum Development Center. Actually, I talk about that, right? Curriculum Development Center. According to Curriculum Development Center, 3D math question. That question paper is divided into 3 groups, right? Group A, Group B, and Group C. And technical terms are asked. Main thing is about terminology, computer terminology, terms and terminology, right? Data integrity, cyber security, cyber law, ethics, cloud computing, right? Now social media apps, multimedia, it's all about the ask question about topology, data topology. One, www, right? World Wide Web, www, right? One is what? What is one? W and one, man, land, right? Man means metropolitan area network, right? Land means local area network, right? And one means world area network. That's the thing, the action network. Data communication, like how motherboard is calculating data, right? Motherboard, how it is communicating data with peripheral components. Computer is made of 4 components. Software, hardware, it's basic things, right? Basic terminology. I'm gonna talk about that one, right? Yes, inside is a profound, deep, and there's the ground, man. Depth and surface, all in one, man. God level, right? The processor, right? Is hip-hop, right? Is good, that's right. That's the thing, right? You understand that thing, right? So next thing is about like what is the important thing asked in tomorrow's examination, right? So from the past SC examination, what is the most important thing? The most important thing is the QBasic programming, right? Modular programming, structural programming, POPs. POPs means what? Procedure-oriented programming language. OOPS means object-oriented programming language, right? Structured and modular. That's functional-based programming language. QBasic and C programming language is very much asked in examination, right? Write a C program to like add 2 numbers, 2 integers. Write a C program to find like Fibonacci sequence, right? To write a C program or QBasic program to print even number, odd number, prime number. So this is the most important thing that's asked in past SC examination, right? Computer science, isn't it? Right? So yes, again, furthermore, going more, right? Moreover, what is the important thing? The most important thing is about the cyber security, right? Standards, law, ethics, computer virus, computer security, data integrity is very important. Next thing is the database management. DBMS system, right? MS Access. In MS Access, what you learn? We have to learn about, right, how to print like query inquiries in like database management system. The main thing is how to detect the data, right? Detecting data from like different kind of sources, right? From like server, we have to detect data, we have to extract data, right? We have to import data, we have to scrap data. Data scraping, right? Data scraping, you know data scraping for Python, right? Python programming language, C++ programming language. All the more important thing is QBasic and C programming language. That is pretty much important in tomorrow's examination, right? So all things is like database management system in MS Access, very much important. So, like forms, query, reports, we have to create and edit reports, we have to create and edit forms, this kind of things, right? We have to create tables. In tables, we learn about row, columns, fields, attributes, this kind of things, database management system, right? So yes, that's the thing. And another important thing is about like computer fundamentals, right? In computer fundamentals, basic, very important thing. In computer fundamentals, what is important? Right? The important is telecommunications, right? Social media, multimedia, what kind of apps being used, right? Nowadays, like AI trends, right? Most contemporary, right? Contemporary technology is asked because it's like trend is that, right? Tech is favor, tech only best, right? So yes, tech. Computer science is all about tech, right? Last time I talked about science, mathematics, also mathematics, right? Killing melon bees here. So yeah, all things is about like, it's about like latest technology, right? Contemporary technology. It's like fueling in our living society, right? In all area, globalization, right? Local to national, national to international, international to global. So that all making possible. Local is becoming a global village, and localization is becoming like globalization. That's all because of technology. So these kind of things are very much important. Contemporary technology, right? It's all about AI, ChatGPT, DeepSeek. Then after we have like DeepSeek, right? Then after we have CoinGrok. So this kind of like Meta also have own kind of like Alphabet, world company also have own kind of like Insta, TikTok, Facebook, all have this kind of things like prevailing in daily society and international area. So this kind of things may be asked, right? How computing, database security, then after yes, programming, computer programming, it's all Python programming, database analysis, right? Then after what is important, right? Data analysis, data analytics, then after all the important thing is about different kinds of OOPS, right? OOPS and POPs, right? Procedure-oriented programming language and object-oriented programming language. QBasic C programming, that's very much important, and you have to go after learning that. All the important thing is like binary calculations, binary to hexa to octal to binary again. And we have to perform different kinds of binary operations also. Addition, binary, multiplication, binary, division, then after binary, subtraction. This kind of things is asked, right? We have to know convert hexadecimal number system into octal to decimal to binary, then binary also. This kind of thing is important. So yes, keep shining, keep grinding. Yes, HipHop Artist GOATX. HipHop Artist GOATX. Yes, that's all for the keep shining, keep grinding. Artist GOATX signing out. Peace, love, and harmony.